Parang may diamante sa snow. It's shiny.
Keep shining. Keep shining.
Look at this road.
Na, 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 na. Ooh. Saint Laurent Boulevard. Saint Laurent.
Malamig. Welcome to Ottawa.
This is Ottawa, guys.
Nasa Ottawa tayo ngayon.
This is
The capital.
Center town. Oh.
I'm going to end this live soon, guys. Masyado nang malamig. Malulubat na tayo. Gasoline station here. Now we're going to the grocery store. Mamamalengke tayo this morning. We have to go. Hawak kamay. Morning! A little bit slippery, yeah. Oh no. Yeah, it's slippery. Yeah. Take care.
Yeah. Look at them.
It's a slippery road. Oh,
Yeah.
kaya man nahihirapan pati ang mga sasakyan. Sluggish, slushy, madulas. Ay, mahirap to. Yung ito, oh, gabundok ng snow. Hello to our 11 live viewers and 2 likers. We're going to say bye-bye now, guys. It's pretty cold today. Like everyone, we have a blue sky. It's nice to see the blue sky and the sand, but it's super duper cold outside. Sobrang lamig talaga.
Sobrang lamig.
Lakad nga tayo. Lakad pagong at ang daanan natin paiba-iba.
Ha?
May madulas, may anong tawag dun sa maragkot? May rough.
Rough?
Dumidikit ang boots. Mayroon naman na
Slushy.
slushy. Hola! Big love shoutout to our 24 live viewers. Nadaan tayo ngayon dito sa may bus stop. Ito tayo, may naghihintay dito eh. Ito ang main road. Ito ang main road. Maraming dumadaan ng mga sasakyan dito. And ito naman ang dinadaanan namin ngayon. Snow. Ayan. Gatambak na snow. Pwede nang maghalo-halo.
Yeah.
Pwede ba itong ihalo-halo?
Hindi halo-halo here. Oh, may nagsulat oh.
Anong sabi?
Love.
Oh, there's love.
Somebody wrote.
Ooh, nice. Ginawa ng sulatan. Mega love shout out to our
guys.
oh, this is there's some new color. It's white thing now. Number 40 bus going to Greenboro. Mga buses dito may mga numero. So every route there is routes. Ruta. So you have to use an app kung magbabas ka. Ay, grabe, malamig na. Naninigas na ang tagyawat ko.
Bilis pa mag-drive.
Ay.
Ibang driver talaga.
Mga magagaling ng driver yan. Naluluto na ang